Understanding the phrase, twig to something. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, twig to something. This might sound a bit quirky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll fully understand its meaning and how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, twig to something, is a somewhat informal and chiefly British expression. It means to suddenly understand or realize something. Think of it as the moment a light bulb turns on in your head. For example, if you twig to the fact that someone has been teasing you, it means you've just realized that they're not serious but just joking around. Now, you might be wondering where this peculiar phrase comes from. Twig originally stems from the Old English word twig, which refers to a small branch or shoot from a tree. However, in the context of this phrase, it's believed to come from the Irish word tweag, meaning to understand. Over time, this meaning blended into English vernacular, especially in British English, giving us the unique phrase, twig to something. Let's put this phrase into action. When you use twig to something, you're often talking about a sudden realization, sometimes after being confused or unaware for a while. Here are a few examples. 1. After staring at the puzzle for hours, I finally twigged to the solution. 2. She didn't twig to the sarcasm in his voice until much later. 3. It took me a moment to twig to what the teacher was actually asking. Notice how in each instance, the phrase is used to indicate a moment of clarity or realization. And there you have it. Twig to something is a charming and expressive way to convey the moment of realization or understanding. It's a phrase that adds color and depth to your conversations, especially if you enjoy sprinkling your speech with some British flair. We hope this video helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and review this video if you need. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.